30 seconds and I see the crossings going off again. Literally, the other train just ended. That's an Amtrak, all right. 3 trains? Jeez Louise. No, that's a CSX. Oh my God, I'm gonna have so much fun uploading these videos. I think all these likes and subscribes are helping me get some good luck catching trains. This one is flying. I literally just finished getting back in the car, getting buckled up to leave. And then my dad said, hey, the crossings are going down. And I said, oh. And then now we're here. Oh my God, this thing is flying. This guy is really going. And there was a rare unit on the front. That sounded like an Amtrak at first, but I think I've seen too many of those nowadays to you know. So, yeah. Oh, something just... I feel like it keeps running over something that's got stuck in the crossing. It keeps making a banging sound. This thing is really flying. Oh, you know, I think it's the tracks going straight down after the crossing. Like they kind of level, they go up at the crossing and then they go straight down. So that's what that is. Sheesh. Well, my camera's gonna get really worn out. So yeah, enjoy that. Oh, wait, never mind. It's just some small train cars. I feel like we're pushing our luck today on getting trains. I literally was just about to sit down and buckle up, and then this train just started buzzing through, and I'm like, oh my. Well, because it's funny, the one train, the first one went this way, and then a few minutes later, the other one went on the same track, and now this one's coming. Oh, if I didn't say it, I forgot if I said it or not, but like and subscribe. There she goes. Yeah, that was a faster train. All right, like and sub. See ya, guys.